This is cool. I'm at Victoria Station, train station. People getting off the trains. Very interesting. Beautiful old station. Oh my gosh, I wonder how old this place is. Absolutely gorgeous. The morning train has arrived. People seem to do rush hour later here. Maybe they actually do the 9 to 5 bit, unlike us. Anyway, I'm waiting for Dean. When he gets out, we are going to Stonehenge, which just had vandalism yesterday, graffiti. And then we are going to, I forget. We're going to Windsor Palace, that's it. Anyway, have a nice day. Bye.